y'all to make the family feel good. Come on. Make the family feel like that. Let's go again. Come on, one more time, sopranos. Let's sing it. Let's go up, Pastor. Let's go on one more. And everybody, clap your hands. Clap, clap. Give me on the one game and I'm done. 1, 2, that's it. All right. So,
An assistant principal has been replaced after 2 guns have been found in a vehicle on Hilton Head School campus. This was reported on April the 10th. 6 weeks after 2 guns were found in an assistant principal's vehicle, the weapons are still in possession at Beaufort County Sheriff's Office. Stephen Brock served as assistant principal at the Title I elementary school since 2023-2024. He is no longer employed by the school district the day the firearms were found. A county representative for the county would not tell the media if the assistant principal resigned or was fired. But the presence of firearms on school property is grounds for termination at the discretion of the superintendent. They also have not been able to reach the assistant principal.